I want to share with you a pretty boring product that's making over 70 grand a month on Amazon. And the best part is there's not a lot of competition around it. So we are going to do a complete profit breakdown. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share with you exactly how I found this product. So the product is this. It's a knee pillow, right? Pretty boring, not very exciting, not very sexy, but that's okay. We just want to start making money, right? And it's selling for $28.97. So how do I know there's not a lot of competition around it? Well, if I go to Amazon and I search the keyword term that I found, knee pillow, then I pop open Jungle Scout. There is something called the opportunity score in the top right, and it says there's high demand with low competition. High demand meaning there's a lot of people making a lot of money with this product. There's a lot of money going around, right? You could see some of the competitors' listings are making 300 grand, 200 grand, 92 grand, 128 grand, right? With low competition. Not a ton of people. It's not overly saturated of a product. Okay, so how do we go about finding a product to buy like this and list it on Amazon and sell it? So we need to buy this product in bulk. So if we go to Alibaba, we can find suppliers to make this exact product. And I already found a supplier that sells an almost identical and manufactures an almost identical knee pillow that we can sell. And you can get it for the price of anywhere on the high end for $3.20, all the way in the low end for $2.80. And then we can sell it for 28 bucks on Amazon. So it's pretty good. We can buy a lot of them in bulk and sell them for a lot more money. So how much exactly can we make? That's the big question. How much profit can we make? So if we go to Amazon's revenue calculator, you can get to this page by just Googling Amazon FBA revenue calculator, and it'll bring you to this. It'll allow you to see what the exact fees are that you're going to pay. Because if you don't know what you're going to be paying Amazon, you're doomed, right? You need to know to the penny how much profit you can make. So the first thing we need to do is grab something called the ASIN or ASIN, which is down here, and it's on the Amazon listing. And it's almost like a unique identifier. It's kind of like a UPC code, and then we're gonna search it. And the product is going to come up, and now the size, the weight, the pricing, that's all going to populate into this calculator. Now, before we go any further, you need to understand there's two differences of fulfillment: Amazon fulfillment and your fulfillment. Your fulfillment means you're going to be buying these in bulk. You're going to store them at your house. You're going to ship them out of your garage anytime they sell. You're going to go to the post office anytime they sell. You're going to have to do returns. That is a very hands-on process. I don't like doing that. I've never done that. And I prefer Amazon fulfillment. This is where we pay an extra fee, and Amazon, they will allow us to ship our inventory into their warehouses. Then anytime the product sells, they're going to have a worker pick, pack, and ship it. If there's any customer service, if there's any returns, they handle all of that. It's a very hands-off process. It is close to passive income. I wouldn't say it's completely passive because there's still work that needs to be involved, but you're not going to be in your garage shipping out products. Okay, so we could tap into Amazon's resources with that. Now we have the price for $28.97. Then Amazon fees are $5. Fulfillment cost is $5. Storage cost is 10 cents. Inbounding cost to Amazon's warehouse is 49 cents. Then we have our cost of goods sold. So let's say we're buying anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000 pieces for $3.10. Then let's say we need to add another dollar for shipping itself. So we'll put $4.10. Now, if we scroll down, I'm going to change the estimated sales to just 1, and we can see that we can have a net profit margin of 45% or $13.20 per unit. And this listing itself is selling 53 units a day. So imagine 53 sales every single day at 13 bucks profit. That's pretty good, right? A couple $100 every single day profit. So how exactly did I find this product? Well, before we do that, if you want to learn more about Amazon, how to sell on Amazon, how to find products like this, how to source products, how to actually make money with Amazon, not just spend money on Amazon, then click the link in the description below. I have a training that I think will really help you just put all this together, because it can be quite overwhelming for people that are new to this. So how exactly did I find this product? So I like to think of Amazon like a search engine. It's almost like Google, right? You search Google for information, Amazon, you search Amazon for products. So I like to start with a main keyword. Okay, so I'm searching knee. All I'm searching is knee. Or you could search hand, you could search foot, you could search head, you could search table, whatever it is. So in this example, I'm typing knee, and then all I'm going to do is click space. And you see that Amazon autofills all of these options, all of these long tail keywords. Okay, so these are all popular things that people are searching, that people want to buy. We have to now go in manually and find which product is going to work. That's how I found the knee pillow. So for example, I'm going to search knee brace and we'll see what comes up. And I don't know if this is a worthy product. I don't know. That's where the research comes in. So I'll open Jungle Scout and we'll see if there's any demand for it. So right away, high demand, high competition. We want to stay away from any products with high demand and high competition. It's just not worth it. It's too competitive. So let's put this on the back burner and focus on the knee pillow. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got a lot out of it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.